Let's talk about question 2.20. Diameter, circumference, and area of a circle. Write a program that reads in the radius of a circle and prints the circle's diameter. So this is needed. Circle's diameter, the circle's circumference, and the circle's area. Use the constant value 3.14. It is the value of pi. For pi. Perform each of these calculations inside the printf statement and use the conversion specifier %f. %f is the conversion specifier for float. So note in this chapter, so let's ignore this and we jump to the code blocks. Let's declare an integer radius. Integer called radius. Let's have a printf statement. Enter the radius or enter the circle radius. Let's take the value from here. %d and %radius. Let's calculate now. Let's have a new line here. The diameter is %d exclamation 2 multiply radius, because this is the formula of diameter. Diameter is equal to, let's have the formula, to multiply radius of the circle. After that, there is circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 multiply 3.14 multiply radius. This is circumference, formula of circumference. And let's have the formula of area. Area is equal to 3.14 multiply radius multiply radius, because radius square. So these are the formulas: formula of area, formula of circumference, formula of diameter. I have written the diameter, so I want to have the circumference is %f. We use here %f because it will be pointing number. So let's take from here. I want to make the work easy. The area is %f. Let's use %f here as well. So again I want to use this formula, I want to copy paste. Now let's run this program whether it works or not. When I enter here, it says that enter the circle radius. I want to enter 3. Let's see, the diameter is 6, so the circumference is this and the area is this.